Hello and welcome to Adobe Creative Cloud Foundations training course. I am Martin Perhiniak, certified Adobe expert and instructor. This class has a unique approach of teaching the basics of the three most important design applications in the creative industry together to help you understand the similarities and differences between them. As a graphic designer, you will need to be fluent in Photoshop, Illustrator and InDesign, and most job descriptions will require you to be equally experienced with them. My aim with this course is to give you a strong foundation that you can easily build on later. You will learn a lot of useful techniques and how to make the most of important features in these applications, but you will also feel more confident in understanding what their individual roles are in design projects. You will also learn a lot about terms and definitions used in graphic design, which will help you to better understand briefs and communicate with clients and fellow creatives. This course was fully recorded with the Creative Cloud versions of each application and, where necessary, updated to the latest version reflecting the new updates and changes. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started with the foundations of graphic design using Adobe Creative Cloud.